Welcome back. Here is our next lesson for today. So, the terms uppercase and capital letters can be used interchangeably. They both stand for the same thing. Over the next few lessons, you will learn more about uppercase or capital letters. Each letter in the alphabet has two types of letters. The large type of letter is called an uppercase or a capital letter, and the small type is called lowercase or small letter. We mostly have been working with lowercase letters, but you have seen some uppercase or capital letters. For example, the K as in kits and S as in the reader Sam. The use of capital letters for the first letter in a person's name and for the first word in a sentence. So let's look at this sentence. So here is our sentence. Then Stan and Cal ran up the ramp. These are the capital letters that are in our sentence. Why are some words capitalized and some words not? Well, let's learn that. So, some uppercase letters have a different shape than their lowercase letters. You will learn to recognize and write several uppercase or capital letters over this unit. So, T in then is capitalized because this T begins a sentence, and all sentences begin with a capital letter. Stan begins with a capital S, and Cal begins with a capital C. Stan and Cal are names of people, and we always write the names of people with capital letters. So today we are going to look at 4 capital letters. Those letters are A, B, C, and D. They are the first 4 letters of the alphabet. So I have my lined paper here. If you have a dry erase board or lined paper, you can practice writing your capital letters with me. We're going to start with A. And so A starts up here at the top of our line. And our first line is diagonal left. Then I go back up to my starting point and I go diagonal right. Then I go to the middle with a line across. That is our capital or uppercase A. Next is the letter B. B too starts at the top line and goes all the way to the bottom line. It is long line down. I lift my marker and I go half circle. I start at the top and go to the dotted line, and then half circle. And I go from the dotted line to the bottom line. Next is the capital or uppercase letter C. Our C is going to start just below that top line. It is going to take the whole line space, and it is most of a circle to the left. And then our last capital or uppercase letter for today is D. D, too, will start at that top line and goes all the way down and takes up the whole lined space. Long line down. Then I go back up to my starting point, and it is half a circle to the right. So we have now practiced 4 capital letters: A, B, C, and D. And as you can tell, some of these letters look different than the lowercase letter does. A and the lowercase a look completely different. The capital B and the lowercase b look completely different. Our capital or uppercase C and our lowercase c look the same. And D, our capital or uppercase D, looks completely different from the lowercase d. Today, for your practices, you are going to get a chance to practice writing the capital A, B, C, and D, and then you get to match the letter, the uppercase letter or capital letter, to the lowercase letter. I look forward to seeing your work. If you would like re-practice with learning those capital letters or hearing the sentence and why some letters are capital and why some letters are lowercase, you may re-practice this video.